Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to design an Instagram Reel video on the VistaCreate application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Tap to the plus icon at the bottom of the page, and in the animated design section you can find the fourth option, the Instagram Reel. And new, you can select different templates and just select one and click to the use this template button. New, you can edit this template. If you want to add the photo, just click to the photos button at the lower left corner of the screen. And here you can search different photos or go to the uploads button, and here you can upload images from your device. If you want to change the text, just click to the text box, delete the text and write, and you can edit this text. You can select another font type, and in the style section next to the font at the bottom of the screen you can edit the font size and you can set different adjustments. In the object section next to the text button at the bottom of the screen, you can find different objects, and if you want to add the one, just click that, and you can move and you can edit the size. In the animation section, you can find different animation type, and just select one and click that. You can edit the size and you can move. And in the video and the music section you can find different videos and music. For example, go to the music button, click to the summer button and select the music and click to the plus icon, and done. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.